today we are going to do 의리을 수 있다, 의리을 수 없다. So 수 있다 can, 수 없다 cannot. Okay, so let's go over some example and we can use the verb stem to do the conjugation. When can you come to Korea? So first of all, the verb we are going to use to come, which is 오다. 언제 Korea, 한국에 come, the stem of 오다, 오, and then we'll add 리을, and then 수, polite form, 있어요. 언제 한국에 올 수 있어요? When can you come to Korea? Let's do one more. Can you eat spicy food? So the verb will be 먹다. So spicy food, 매운 음식을 먹다 stem 먹. This time we're going to use 을 because 먹 already have the 받침. So 먹을 수 있어요. 매운 음식을 먹을 수 있어요. Can you eat spicy food? Okay. Then now we can do 수 없다. I couldn't start at 4 o'clock. 4시에 to start is 시작하다. So the stem of 시작하다, 시작하, and then add 리을, 시작할, 수, couldn't start, past, 없었어요. 4시에 시작할 수 없었어요. I couldn't start at 4 o'clock. Let's do one. I can't work tomorrow. 내일. To work, we learned this last time. 일하다. The stem 일함. And then add 리을. I can't work tomorrow. 일할 수 없어요. 내일 일할 수 없어요. I can't work tomorrow. Not too hard, right? Just have to use the stem of the verb. That's it. Okay, so first action verb. To answer. 대답하다. Another 하다 verb. And obviously the basic will be 대답해. Sentence, I will answer by next week. So next week, 다음 주. By next week is the particle까지, right? So 다음 주까지, up to next week, I will answer. Future tense of 대답하다. 대답할 거예요. 다음 주까지 대답할 거예요. Please answer my question. But this one we're gonna use to answer for me, which is 대답하다 plus 주다, right? Please answer my question for me. So that means 대답하다 plus 주다. 제 질문에 대답. And then we'll use the basic plus 주다. 대답해. And then use 세요 honorific ending, which is 주세요. That would make it for me, please. So 제 질문에 대답해 주세요. Please answer my question. But in Korean, please answer my question for me. And A is used here because it's more of in regards to or about, right? To ask a question. 질문하다. I asked a question to my teacher. So for the particle to should be marked with 선생님. So you can say 선생님한테 or 선생님에게. So let's talk about this for a second, this particle. You can do 에게 or 한테. By the way, these are plain form of to particle. So we do have honorific, which is 게. So, to a teacher, what's more appropriate would be 선생님께. That sounds more natural in Korea. Because we do use, obviously, 님, that's honorific, right? 님 by itself is honorific, right? So, 선생님께, I asked a question. 질문, past tense. 했어요. The polite way to ask someone to do something. So this one will say basic form 주세요. Okay, couple example. Please come. So all that basic is 와. And then 주세요. 와주세요. This Sunday, please come to my birthday party. So it's always good to start with the time. So 이번 일요일. So we don't want to repeat it twice. So this one you can just say 이번 일요일 생일 파티에 rather than 이번 일요일에 생일 파티에. Okay? We don't really want to have it twice, okay? So 이번 일요일 let's say my birthday. 제 생일 파티에 와주세요. 이번 일요일 제 생일 파티에 와주세요. Please come to my birthday party this Sunday. We're going to do listening practice. First one, A person. 방에 컴퓨터가 있어요? B person. 네, 있어요. A person. 방에 옷장이 있어요? B person. 아니요, 없어요. Quick translation. Anyone?
Is there a computer in the room? Yes. There's a computer. Is there a closet in the room? No, there is no closet.
Yes, very good. Okay. So let's go over. A. 방에 컴퓨터가 있어요? B person. 네, 있어요. A person. 방에 옷장, closet. 옷장이 있어요. B person. 아니요, 없어요. Okay, next one. A person. 책이 어디에 있어요? B person. 책상 위에 있어요. 책이 어디에 있어요? 책상 위에 있어요. Where is the book? It's on the desk. It's on top of the desk. Okay. Next conversation. A person. 식당이 몇 층에 있어요? B person. 3층에 있어요. A person. 식당이 몇 층에 있어요? So this is the one of those counter. 층. B person. 3층에 있어요. So A person. 식당이 몇, how many, 층. This is a counter for the floor. Like first floor, second floor, third floor. 몇 층에 있어요? So what floor is the restaurant on? B person said 3층. Third floor, 3층. 3층에 있어요. For the floor, you have to use the Chinese number, okay? So 1층, first floor. 2층, second floor. 3층, third floor. 4층, 5층, so on, so on, so on. Okay. So you guys have fun. See you in 2 weeks. 안녕.